Thing is, they happen silently, so if you're ever lucky enough to be looking at the mountain and it happens, you just see this silent thing happening. It doesn't make any sense, but then the noise hits you, because remember, sound has to travel. So by the time you hear the sound, the avalanche is in full force.
Wow.
But we were lucky enough on a trip one time to see the silent one coming down, and then boom, the sound hit us. It was incredible.
And if you ever get caught in one, you're supposed to spit, right? To know which way's up.
I think so, yeah.
A fireman told me that.
Yeah.
Yep. That'll tell you which way to dig. Spit. Fireman.
Ah.
Did you say you need to spit?
But then you'll know, because when you're buried, you don't know whether